Hey everyone, I was very excited when I had the chance to receive from Venyn this very nice wet and dry shaver, ultra precise razor, which I'm going to give a little review of today. So a few things to notice first. The packaging is very, very simple, clean, and elegant, which I really like. Straight and to the point. If you notice here, you see the razor image, the trimmer, the nose trimmer, another trimmer, and the brushing unit. Very clean, shows you exactly what you get in the package. It's great. You open the package. This is the contents of the package. Very simple, very elegant again. And here is the device itself, the unit. Really cool. Look at it. It just kind of like sparkles. I really like this sort of silver and blue, this kind of teal coloring that they did. It's really nice. The great thing is that the razor is already charged, comes pre-charged, which is nice. There you go. It's running. That's the power button. It's large, easy to see, easy to get started. This is really nice. It's the head, as you can see, it's a triple head razor, and it comes off really simply. You just pop it off, and there you can replace the head with any of the other devices I'm about to show you here, or trimmers, etc., or different heads that they have. And then it snaps back on easily and turns right back on. Really nice, really elegant, great device. Here is the instruction manual that it comes with. Small, simple, to the point, very easy to read, easy to see, very legible, simple instruction manual, which is good. Makes it easier on the user. And finally, you get a bag of accessories that comes with the product. These are all great, pretty standard for hair trimmer or razor. You have obviously the charger. There's the charger. And then you have the lid for the razor. This is the cap. Slides on top. Oops. Very simply, just like that, and it's on. We'll get to this in just a second. This is the top that pops off. First razor head, trimmer head, sorry. That's really nice. It's a nice hard plastic. Nose trimmer here. This is packaged up. There's the nose trimmer. Cap, very easy to use, very easy to manage. Back off there. And this is my favorite. So this is, and it's shrink wrapped. I'm going to wrap it here for you. This is a brush so that you can put on your shaving cream for men. And it attaches, here's the lid, it attaches to the top of the unit. So pop that off. And fits on just like that. And it spins so that you can put your shaving. So you put your shaving cream on the top here. You put some nice bit of shaving cream on top. And then you just add this onto your face. Really great add-on. I haven't seen many of these before from other... Pop this off. There we go. Just had to turn it. Nice add-on. I haven't seen this on many of the other razors that I've purchased in the past, so that's a good one. Fits back on. There it goes again. So I really like this. I really like this the shaving cream head that helps you apply it, the applicator. It's nice. Oops, sorry. So yeah, all in all, this is a really good product. Gives me a great shave. I really like the applicator for the shaving cream. Battery lasts a long time, about 10 days. Comes pre-charged, ready to go. Easy top pops off to clean it. You can clean the device like this right here. Simply kind of scrape it out. You can scrape